Have you ever held on to words you wish you'd said? Or let a passion gather dust because the memory attached to it was too painful? We carry so much inside unspoken feelings, unfinished conversations, and dreams we've put on hold. These silent burdens can feel heavy, isolating us in our own quiet worlds. But what if we could find a way to let them go? Not by forgetting, but by finally giving them a voice. This is the heart of our new cinematic series, echoesof.com. It's a journey into the quiet moments that define us. A collection of stories about healing, connection, and the courage it takes to face what we've left unsaid. In our first episode, The Unfinished Letter, two siblings discover a letter from their late mother. Unsealing years of resentment and unspoken emotions between them? Will they find the courage to finally listen to each other? Then, in The Silent Instrument, we meet a musician whose violin has been quiet since a devastating loss. A gentle friend encourages her not to perform, but simply to feel again. Will she find the music that's been waiting for her all along? And in our third story, The Bridge at Dusk, two strangers meet at sunset. One leaving a life behind, and the other just beginning. They share stories of what they're carrying and what they're letting go, discovering that sometimes we're just meeting ourselves halfway. Each episode is crafted with care, using slow, meditative visuals and natural sound to create a space for reflection. We believe in the power of silence, the weight of a shared glance, and the beauty of finding peace in the small, quiet moments. These aren't just stories. They're invitations to look within your own life, to acknowledge the echoes of your past, and to find your own path toward calm. Join us for this beautiful, contemplative journey. Subscribe now and be the first to watch echoesof.com. Let's explore these quiet spaces together.